Hi there, welcome my dear students. In this lecture, I'm going to teach you how to install Laravel application in your Windows laptop or in your Mac. So what you have to do, you have to go on Google, type here Laravel, hit enter, and you will see the website, official website of Laravel, that is https laravel.com, and right click on here, open link in new tab. So if you are new to Laravel and you are if you are like thinking to learn Laravel and if you don't know the basic of PHP, you can't move to Laravel. So first you need to learn PHP, and for PHP I'm going to upload courses on my channel, and what you have to do, you need to go there and learn the PHP. After that you can move on to the Laravel. Also I will upload some lectures on Laravel in future. For now, right now I'm just going to teach you like how to download and install Laravel in your system or Laravel application and start working with the project. So first of all, you need to go into the documentation, and once you are in the documentation, first of all you need to go in deployment. So my version of Laravel is here 10.x. So maybe when you are watching the video, the version of Laravel has been upgraded. So the steps are same for the upgraded version as well. Maybe a little bit documentation has been changed in the coming versions. So if you face any problem, you can ping me, like you can leave a message in comment, or you can email me. I will leave my email in the description. So what you have to do, you have to go in deployment. If you want to be good in Laravel, you need to be good in reading the documentation. If you can read the documentation, that means you can understand the Laravel very well. So what you have to do, you have to come on bottom here. Can you see we have a server requirement? In here it's saying PHP version for Laravel version 10. The PHP version that required is greater than or equal to 8.1. So if you don't know how to check the Laravel version, what you have to do, you have to come here, you need to type cmd, and in the command prompt, what you have to do, you need to write php-v. And here can you see I have a latest version greater than or equal to, so I have a little bit greater version of PHP. It's 8.2.4, so I have a PHP version. So if you don't have a PHP version, so I have made a video on XAMPP, like how to install XAMPP on your system. So XAMPP is like going to provide you a server environment where you can run your PHP script. So Laravel application is going to be inside the XAMPP. So XAMPP is very important in your laptop. So I'm going to close this one. So once you confirm your PHP version, what you have to do, you have to come in the installation, and in the installation here, you have to come here, your first Laravel project, click on here and you will come here. So before installing Laravel project in your system, what you have to do, you must have two things. One is Composer that needs to install in your system. I have made a video on Composer, like how to download and install Composer in your laptop. So if you are going to work with Laravel, Composer is the most important in your laptop that is recommended to run the Laravel application. So what you have to do, let me show you right now. I'll real quick, or for more details you need to go in the description. There I will attach a video of Composer, how to download and install Composer in your laptop. So what you have to do, you need to type here Composer, click here, and you can open up the Composer, and here you can download. And I have some explain the steps, like how to set up the Composer in your system and how to test it's like rightfully installed in your laptop or not. So here what I'm going to do, I'm going to copy this one, and what I will do, I will type here, and I will change my name of the application. So Composer, create project, Laravel, and this is my application name. I'm going to change this application name to I will say like let me think a good name for my project that I'm going to create. I will say LMS, for example, LMS. Okay, I will say LMS project. Okay, LMS project, learning management system. So I will close that. What I have to do, I will go in. Okay, what I will do, I will go in like XAMPP folder. For XAMPP folders, my XAMPP is in C, XAMPP, htdocs here. what I will do, I will create a folder for me like clients. I will say I will create a new folder, USA. So I have a lot of clients. So I'm going to create a folder similar to this one in USA. What I'm going to do, I'm like, if I know my client name, specific clients, I have multiple projects. I'm going to create more directories into that. So I'm not going to discuss that. So here, what we are going to do, I'm going to right click here, and here, can you see git bash? So if you don't know about the git bash, I have a video on git bash as well, so you can watch that video and you can install the git bash and in your system. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to open up a git bash here and git bash terminal. So here, let me make this a little bit bigger, so I think you guys can watch this clearly now. So what I will do, I will right click here, I will paste my command composer create project Laravel LMS project. I will hit enter. I will hit enter here, and this is going to create a Laravel project in my system. So can you see it's loading composer repository with package information. This will take like few minutes to install in your laptop, and after that you can run your project. So let's wait for like few minutes, and this is, be patient. If it's taking time, check your network, like your internet is fine or not. So make sure you have a good internet connection, or otherwise it will sometime take 2-3 minutes. If you have a more good internet connection, this will take like less than 2-3 minutes. And if you don't have a like fast internet connection, this is going to take like 4, 5 or 10 minutes for you, depend on your internet connection speed. This is going to download and install a lot of packages for you, so this will take a little bit time to set up your Laravel project in your system. So let's wait. Okay guys, can you see our Laravel application has been good. It's downloaded and installed in my system. So can you see it has created like PHP artisan key generator. It also created application keys for me. So what I will do, I will clear this one, and what I have to do, I will do cd and I will go into my project. So after that I will do code dot to code space dot to open up this project in my VS Code. So you can do this one, and what this is going to do, this is going to open up project directly into my VS Code, and here is my Laravel project now. So this is the one way to open up your Laravel project, and there is another way. What you have to do, you need to go into inside of your project. You can right click and you can open with code. This is second way, and there is another way. Right click on the project and open with code. So there are three ways to open your project quickly. So here is your project. So in here, if I go in package.json, so it's saying I have done a dev, build, all those stuff. So I don't have node modules in my Laravel application. So first of all, what I have to do, I need to open up terminal. I will click here, new terminal. Inside terminal, I will do, I will do npm i. npm I or npm install, both are same. I is the short form of install. I will hit enter, and this is going to install node module in my Laravel application. So once I have node modules in my Laravel application, I'll be able to run my application. So this will take like a little time in few minutes, depend on your project. If you have more dependencies, this is going to take more time. So I don't have enough more dependencies, so this will not take much time. So I have that here. So here what I'm going to do, I will run a command npm run dev to run my Laravel application to check if it's working fine or not. I will hit enter. This will take a little time. Npm run dev, and Yeah, and this gives me a local URL to run this project. So what I will do, I will copy this one, or you can do like for me it's alt click. For you maybe it's window click or it's control click. I will do alt click, and this is going to open up my Laravel application here. Can you see I have my Laravel application here and it's running. It's perfectly running fine now. Can you see? I have my Laravel application. Let me copy the URL for you guys to show you how if you don't find the like shortcut key to open up your project. So I will go in new tab, I will paste my URL, I will hit enter. So here, boom, I have my Laravel application running. So that's it. For more videos, if you want me to make videos for you guys, you can leave a comment and I will start making videos on the topic that you like. And that's it. If you like my video, hit the like button, and do subscribe as well to more like for more videos to stay updated. Like my video and subscribe the button, click on the subscribe button to get stay updated with more videos. So take care, bye bye everyone.